Today, Bitcoin is the world's most popular cryptocurrency. Some people believe it may one day replace physical cash. Hello everyone, this is Tech Rating Trends, and today I will be providing you the basic information you need to know about Bitcoin, including its history and how it strongly influenced the entirety of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was created on January 3, 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. It was created out of the turmoil from the 2008 Great Recession when distrust in banks and their role in the financial system grew. In the beginning, Bitcoin had no real value and it would take more than a year for the first economic transaction to happen. Bitcoin had its first major bump in price in 2013, where it reached over $1,000 in value. It then remained quite stable until the beginning of 2016, when it began to rise quickly. Approaching the end of 2016, it would quickly rise to nearly $20,000. After 2017, the price fluctuated greatly, with no new peak above the one from 2016 until the end of 2020. At its peak, Bitcoin reached almost 68,000 United States dollars of value per coin. If you want to monitor the current price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, check out websites such as CoinMarketCap, CoinDesk, and TradingView. Moving on to how Bitcoin affects the market, Bitcoin has a strong influence over the entire cryptocurrency market. Whenever it lowers or increases in price, it affects most cryptocurrencies with it. Bitcoin had its biggest 24-hour volume on February 25, 2021, being over 350 billion. I hope this video has brought you value. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to catch more content like this. Have an amazing day.